Yo, what's up everybody and welcome back to another awesome video. And yeah guys, today I got a special vlog. I got this new camera, baby. This thing is fire. Let me show you. Wait a sec. Actually, Mr. Muhammad got this camera. This baby is amazing. Wait, I can show you. Wait. So I was making a vlog with this camera and the quality is insane. I'm in love with this camera. This is absolutely top of the game camera. Yeah guys, before this video starts, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully enjoy this funny vlog. This camera is somebody find me the camera is DJ Muhammad.
Don't touch the ball, it's over, call it close, but we all know
our building is your bite.
But this is going.
Every move you make. Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Shit man, I got you. Hey.
People. Zoom back,
No.
close.
This one?
Just close the video.
Very nice bike, Honda. Damn. It's a whole bike collection out here. Just saying, you know. What's this man? It's gonna make me, if I close it, like hold it like this close, it's gonna make me really far. Oh, like okay. From one house to another. Huh? He's editing a video already. But everywhere he takes his laptop, he edits everywhere. Remind me of David Dobrik. I'm telling you. Tell me you don't look like him.
I don't.
No, if you shave the whole like beard and mustache, the hair.
A bit fat.
Huh? He's fatter, but you're like skinnier and like same haircut. The Arabic version of David Dobrik. Would you say this is the traditional Arabic way of eating mandi?
Before you get the mandi, drink the soup.
Alright. Then give you some salad and some cucumbers and carrots.
Yeah, let's do the mandi. You eat them.
Oh my god, Mr. Ilya made it. Excuse me. Haven't seen you in a while. Just ate.
Just ate.
With you, well, they don't know. They don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna record my reaction to Mr. Ilya's car. Yeah. He said it's an SUV.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's a family SUV.
Family? Alright, he's making family. This one. Oh, damn. This? It's a nice car. You going to US?
Yeah.
This brand is
Massive.
massive. So much space, by the way. There's a TV out here, so we got fucked it up. So, there's space for feet, like so much space. Yeah.
All the way back, you got yourself a roof.
All right. Star view. You can put 6 people.
Yeah.
Oh, fridge. Damn. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and yeah guys, I'll see you next time. Peace.